So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket. And as you can see, I have opened up my Google Calendar today. Why? Because today we are testing out ChatGPT's integration on Google Calendar, and let's see whether it is able to operate, not just read but completely operate, create events, delete events also on Google Calendar. So let's get started. We are doing this using Model Context Protocol, and for that I'm using G Suite MCP alongside MCP Super Assistant. I will be telling about more information on how to integrate this later in the video. Let's get started first. So as you can see on my screen, there is a blue MCP button. Let me click on that and do attach. Once the attachment is done, let me ask it to create some event as my calendar was blank as you saw. Help me book a calendar event at 5 p.m. IST today named MCP testing for 45 minutes. This is the information I'm passing. Let's press enter. Here you can see that the integration has started and your MCP testing has been logged from 5 p.m. IST today and will run for 45 minutes. Let's check it out whether this is correct or not. As you can see, a new event MCP testing at 5 p.m. has been created. Crazy. Let's try out other features also. Add one more event at 7:30 p.m. IST for today, saying MCP testing 2. As you can see, another event would now be created. Let's and MCP testing 2 is now created. I think the spelling of 2 it has taken as TO. No worries. Let's delete these events now because I actually don't have any event. Remove all the calendar events that I have for today from my calendar. As you can see, it will now be able, should be able to delete all the events as well. First event deleted successfully. Now it is running again to delete the second one also. Let me check out. It is not able to delete the second event, but it was able to delete the first one. No worries. Now let's finally ask it for all the list of events that we have. What are all the events in my calendar for today? It was not able to perform the delete operation well, and hence one of the events was left today. As you can see, now it's starting telling me about. It is saying that I have no events today scheduled. Let me check it out whether it's true or not. And I think later on it is able to delete the second event also. So I think there was a little lag, but this is how you saw how we can very smoothly integrate ChatGPT with Google Calendar to manage your daily life. Now how did I did this? It's quite easy. We are using G Suite MCP as you can see on my screen. I have already covered how to integrate this particular MCP in quite some detail in my previous video, and the link is in the comment section below. So I would be just running through this so that there is no repetition. So I'm using Rishi Pradeep's G Suite MCP, which can do these events: list events, create events, update events, delete event. We tried out most of them. What is the prerequisite? Node.js is required and you need to create OAuth 2.0 credentials in your Google Cloud Console. This is a little tricky process and you need to follow my previous video that I have mentioned in the comment section below. Once you are able to create those, you need to get and clone this particular repository and follow this path. Create OAuth credentials, pass your credentials that you have created at Google Cloud Console and run this command node get refresh token.js. It will give you a refresh token. Everything I have covered in detail in my previous video, so don't worry if you get stuck at any point. Once you are able to run and get all the tokens, you just need to add this particular details MCP servers Google's workspace in your cloud config.json. If you have any issues figuring out this file, look out for any of my previous video. You should be able to figure out where this particular file is. Once done, the next step is, as you know, ChatGPT doesn't support MCP servers. So how am I doing this? I'm using MCP Super Assistant. I think in my previous tutorials, if you're following, it's the same GitHub repo and the Chrome extension that we are using. So first of all, again, how to integrate this in detail, I have already mentioned in my previous video and the link is in the comment section below. I am just doing a rough run through so that you have the basic understanding. All the steps in detail are already covered in the previous videos. So you need to install this particular Chrome extension. Once done, the next step is quite easy. Just run this command in your local system. npx the command config and pass the cloud configs path, full path. Once you run this command like this, as you can see on my screen, this is my full path. You should be able to see the MCP servers working in local. And then all the tools of calendar should be available on the right side pane that you saw on my ChatGPT screen. So this is how you can go for Google Calendar integration with ChatGPT and make your life easy. Thank you so much.